helped you. Shut it, pussy. You pay people to help you, mate. We all know you're fucking dog shit. You're the worst dev ever, mate.
Let me know when you get some day, Dozo.
It's already that. You're shit,
Keep me
mate.
blocked though, nigga.
You're shit, mate.
Bro, can you shut up, nigga?
You're shit, mate. Mate,
You're
shut
broke.
up, mate.
You're broke.
I'm broke. I'm broke. I've got more money than
You're
you,
broke.
mate. I can guarantee you that. You stay with your
think,
mum,
yeah?
mate. You stay with your
Is
mum.
it?
I know for a fact I've got more money than you, mate. Trust me. Mummy still pays for your dinner, son. Shut up.
Is it?
Facts, mate. Facts, mate. You're a wee guy. You're 17-year-old.
Guess
And
what? How 11 keepers play Solcots KA21.
And what? Mate, listen. Tell me something we don't know.
Robert McGabe.
McCabe. But yeah.
Nathan.
Oh, you've still got the wrong address.
Nathan.
J.
That's from your boy. That's from your boy Grav, bro.
Grav, mate. Nobody cares about Grav, mate. It's not even the right details. You've got my name and that's about the size it. See, at the end of the day, mate, you're a little poof, mate. You can do fuck all to nobody. Aye, mate, you know, your shit doesn't even work. You're legit scam.
Shut the fuck up, mate.
Mate, you need to shut up. Don't tell me to shut up. You're a wee boy.
Wait when everyone joins me.
Wait till everybody joins, mate. Let them join.
You're gonna get fucking roasted, mate. Has anyone joined this?
Mate, nobody joined nobody because you've got no pals, mate. You've just got wee dick riders, mate, to use your shitty cheats, mate. You just get them banned 24/7.
Oi, why did he join this thing? Tell
Come on, get join. Go.
No,
Get people joining, Jay. They're all coming here, now they're waiting.
Yeah. I'm gonna make you so wrapped in, bro. Hold on.
Trust me.
Oh, mad where you little fan.
Mate, look, you're not going to say nothing, mate. You or your pal.
Pal, mate. Where's a little faggot, mate?
Do something. Do something.
Do something, mate. I already called you out, Jess, you dickhead.
Right, go, do it. Go hit me off. I bet you don't. I bet you don't. Hit me off. Go. Hit me off. Hit me off. I'm waiting. Go. Try it.
Mate,
I bet you stay here. I bet you stay here. I bet you stay here.
Sky, yeah?
I bet you stay here. Go. I bet you stay here.
Go ahead. 1 sec, son.
Go. Hit it. I'll be waiting like 0.2
He's gonna
seconds.
change Wi-Fi. Look at him.
Yep, exactly, mate. I can change it to every 2 seconds, mate. Keep it going. Run it up, mate. Run it up, target. Run it up.
Mate, who you talking
17-year-old boy, mate. Your balls are still attached to your mother, be man. Shut up.
Yeah, you're a bitch and everyone's buying.
I'm a bitch. Mate, nobody's buying off you, mate, because your shit's broken, mate. You can't even keep somebody unbanned. Aye, mate, I know for a fact, I know. That's how Dotty left you and I left you. That's how
Dotty's already come back, bro, because his shit's not updated.
Aye. Exactly. Who cares?
He's already left him.
He's a dick rider.
He's already come back to daddy, bro.
Mate, give me daddy, mate. Listen to you. You're a fucking child.
Mate, you need to watch your mouth, you know.
I don't need to watch nothing. I'm still sitting here. I'm still online, mate. I'm still waiting. I know it's bigger than yours, mate. It's bigger than your balls anyway. Wee sacks. Mate, that's what you are. Do something. I'm waiting, mate. I'm waiting. Come on. Do something. Do something. You just gotta keep talking.
Yes, yeah, carry on talking.
Do something.
Watch when it happens.
I'm gonna keep talking, mate, and I'll be back in a heartbeat. I will be back in a heartbeat. Do something. Yeah. Exactly. You know for a fact. You just need to change away. Oh, what? You know my name? J. Oh. Do you know my address? No.
Oi, Nathan.
Somebody sounds vexed, mate. Somebody sounds vexed.
Nathan, bro.
I think you're mad. I think you're mad, mate. I think you're big mad.
Oi, get ready for that pizza at your house, mate.
Wait, what?
Get ready for them pizzas.
Send them away, mate. Send them away. Send them away. There's no my address, mate. You don't have to know that. Away. Send away.
You little faggot, mate.
You're a faggot, mate. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm going to sit here and wait until you book me, which isn't going to happen, mate. Mate, you pay every cunt to help you, mate. You got Mustang in to help you, mate. The second your shit was fucked, and it still doesn't work. Your blocker's ass, mate. Contact me when you can actually get something to do something, mate, right? And I'll wait.
No, stay here, don't leave.
Adios.
Oh yeah, good bitch, leave. Good bitch, you little faggot. Oh yeah, LJ7 Madware, mate. I'll slap you soft, kid. You come down here, I'll slap you silly, you little faggot. Like Madware LJ7, mate. I'll slap you, silly kid. You little 5-year-old. Go suck a 25-year-old man's dick off, you little gay. Mate, I made that kid bitch. I seen him in here. I was like, oh my god, I'm joining.